Hi guys, so it's Christmas Eve and I'm opening a package that just arrived from Amazon. For the first time ever, we have ordered Christmas pajamas for our little family.
Wow!
It's for Christmas, baby.
Can I wear it?
I also wanted to try out decorating the tree with this ribbon. I'm cutting it into 2 pieces as you can see, and my husband is helping me out by sealing the edges like this to stop the fabric from fraying. And in the end, I loved how it looked on our tree. My kids love the story of the gingerbread man, so I'm making gingerbread man cookies using the ingredients I had at home this Christmas Eve. I'll surely have the recipe in the description box for you. This is so easy to make and the kids would love to see how gingerbread man is made. So now the dough is all done and I'm going to leave the dough to rest in the fridge. So now I've rolled out the dough and have tried to carve out a gingerbread man using a regular knife I had, as I didn't have a cutter.
Look, do like this wood from the rolling pin. Oh yeah, there's one more.
Let me see. Whoa! I can tell my little one was so thrilled to help make gingerbread man cookies. This was their favorite part of all. Yeah, well done. You made.
I just pushed it.
Yeah.
I did it! I just decorated it very
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Joshi, can you say Merry Christmas?
Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish
Oh, Merry Christmas.
you a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Now, where's Santa go, Mama?
We are leaving treats out for Santa and reindeer so they can have a little something when he comes to leave the kids their presents.
Mama, can we put another one for reindeer?
For reindeer? Joshi wants to put one?
Maybe he's so sad that all casual too. Yeah.
No, that's for the reindeer. That's for the reindeer, Joshi.
Okay, we got more carrots on.
Yeah, we'll put another carrot for the reindeer, okay? And milk. Milk is for Santa.
Cookies are for Rudolph. Because where are they?
They'll come in the night.
Come in the night?
Yeah.
Mama,
Joshua, it's for the...
reindeer.
Oh.
I'm not a reindeer, I'm Joshua. Okay. You're not. No, another
It's
way.
midnight and my husband placed baby Jesus in the nativity scene and we made a silent prayer. So now it's next morning, which means it's Christmas Day. As you can see, I placed all the little Christmas cards we got this year on the tinsel Christmas tree.
Oh, come on! Follow us! Our cookies are gone!
Huh? What happened?
And come for the carrots and come for the milk. No, our cookies. No, we got
Gone?
Daddy. We found. No, we got one carrot for reindeer.
Yeah, reindeer ate all the carrot and left a little.
We made it!
What's that?
Presents! No, give it! No!
Who left it? Who left the presents?
No, Santa!
Yeah.
No, wait! He's one carrot
Oh.
to eat reindeers.
Reindeer left a little carrot there.
Yes.
Oh, look, what's on the sofa?
Cheese, Mama said cheese. Egg surprise. Now this is where the egg surprise is. No thanks. Good one thing to do it with. Mama, can you open this for me?
Mm.
Sure.
In the meantime, I started cooking for lunch. Started off by parboiling and draining potatoes for roasting, as you can see. I had some duck fat saved from a previous roast in the refrigerator. So I'm using it to flavor the potatoes while roasting. Also added a few whole cloves of garlic, some seasoning, and gave it all a good rub. The rough edges were made when the potatoes were rubbed, and now in it goes in the oven. Meanwhile, I'm also cooking up some gravy for lunch, and for that I have some chicken wings, onion, carrots, leeks, sage, and some fresh rosemary, as you can see here. And this goes in the oven too. While it's all cooking, I'm back to see the kids.
It's mine.
It's not yours, it's for both of you. It's to share.
No, it's not for sharing. It's for us. Mama, can you open it?
Oh, what's that?
Look everywhere. Straw.
They were opening their favorite presents and I couldn't miss it. What's that?
I think that's a clip and I
You like it?
You open that monster truck. Open it.
Mm-hmm.
That.
You can do it like this. And push it in the food.
Okay, my gravy is blipping away. Just added some flour to thicken it. And now it's time to drain. The meat and veg here can be used another day for another recipe. The gravy is what remains in the bowl. Roast potatoes are looking great and it smells amazing. Here are some glazed carrots and parsnips. And this year we cooked chicken, and here is a gravy still draining. As the meat rests, I am back again.
Look.
So my husband is carving the chicken, got a piece of stuffing, Yorkshire pudding, and here goes the gravy and the rest of it. Hold here. And pull. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Well done, Joshi. What did you get?
Time for Christmas crackers. We got a little joke inside, a hat, and a little present.
Oh, look, you have a puzzle.
We all sat down for a little bit, listened to some Christmas carols, and headed out for a drive to see some Christmas lights. So now we are back. It looks dark outside, but it's just past 5 in the evening. So I'm going to make some chocolate bombs, which is trending nowadays. I didn't have any molds to make them, so this is what I did. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments what you liked watching the most. Also subscribe if you haven't to not miss any future videos, and surely share among your friends and family if you think they would enjoy watching this video. Last but not least, we want to wish you all a very happy new year with good health and happiness. Let's face 2021 with strong will and hope. Lots of love and God bless.